Hello, hello, my dear people. How are you doing? Hope you're doing so well, or well, whatever the fuck the fancy way of saying well is. How? Uh huh. What window? Uh huh. I am back, as always. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing well. Uh, I'm gonna check on my phone to see how it sounds, and also I found some music that's copyright free that we might listen to if I can uh, make it not sound too loud. So let's see. Oh, let me also. Oh, what the fuck? It sounds weird as fuck, brother. What the fuck? Okay, let's put it a bit loud. No, not louder. What's the opposite of loud? I don't know. Quieter. Yeah, quieter. Okay, let's start the songs and see How do you hear me in terms of compared to the music? Okay, I need to lower it like this, maybe. Hello. Why do I sound so? What? What do I see? No, because there's YouTube over. Okay. Cool. Yes. Great. Okay. Is my microphone? Yeah, let's see. Is my microphone too? Hello. Test, test, test. 1, 2, 3. I think that's fine. I'm gonna lower this a bit more, and that should be fine. I wanna, like this, like 6.3. That should be fine. Yeah, let's go back to 8. Perfect. Okay, that should be fine. Is it fine? Yeah, I think so. Okay, let me get my other thing back on. Other headphones, these seem to suck. Or my voice sucks. I don't know which is worse, truth be told. I hope none of them. Okay. Hello, Twitch. Hello, Twitch. No way. Okay, song. Blah, blah, blah. No, that's too polite. What the fuck? Let's do like 20. Start A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's better, I guess. I guess we're gonna work with that then. Okay. Oof. Let's restart the song, I guess, and we start working. 30 seconds? What would you jump 30 seconds? Oh my god, that's awful. So we have to wait first 15 seconds slow. I hope you guys are doing well. Ah, that's why it's weird, because I'm listening to my stream. Okay. Hello. Nice. Now that we managed this, we can actually start the work. So what are we working on? We are continuing to work on the oh my god, my brain, I don't know how to speak and listen to this music. This is so weird. Okay, it's gonna take some time. So we are working on combining all the chats that I have, so YouTube and Twitch chats and so on. If I want to stream on more platforms, I want to make an easy way to add a platform, a bot for it, and then connect everything to my main WebSocket server, which we are finishing today, and then see it in my web app in quotation marks, where I can see the chats and do some stuff with it, like favorite the chat, so I can remember to see what it was later. Because I was watching a stream yesterday, and the guy was like, someone sent him a link for something, and I was like, oh, if I remember, I'm gonna watch that video or whatever. And I was like, huh, interesting. You probably will not remember. I mean, I would probably not remember. So what I'm gonna do is have an ability to like save chats, and then have a tab for like all those saved chats. Yeah. So as you can see, we have a Twitch bot, which we finished, and we have a YouTube bot, which we finished. Now we are working on the WebSocket server, and last stream we were working on a server and client, and there was a problem where the client would just close without a reason, it seems. I was like, what the fuck is going on? And we tried to debug it for some time, and I couldn't really find the issue. So what I did was end the stream, and then yesterday I spent like half an hour trying to figure it out. And the way I did that is I was like, okay, I don't know if the problem is with me, if the problem is with my implementation of the client or the server or whatever. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the message that I'm sending from the client, which is here. So we are sending this add message message to the server. It's like, okay, this is the author, this is the message, this is the platform. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna base 64 encode it and print it out, so I can use something like Postman to send it to the server and be like, hey, let's see if the problem is with the server or with the client. Now, at that point, I'm gonna just revert the fix so you can see what I did. Let's see. Add message. Okay. So what I did was I ran the server and I was like, okay, great. Then I ran the client, which is, let me just add it. And then we do /zig out bin line, and see, it sends stuff. Now, why is it working correctly? Good questions. Why is it working correctly now? Well, zig build, zig build, and this to check if like it fixed itself somehow. Anyways, let me try to do it. Come on, build. Yes. So this was happening. So we would run the server, run the client, and it would be like, hey, it died. You know, it was like just Steam closed. The fuck does that mean? I didn't know. Yes. Good. Thanks. Bravo. So I was like, what the fuck is going on? It was like, just close it. I was like, why the fuck does that happen? So that's what we were trying to figure out. So I got this data here. I got I got that data. And I was like, okay, let me try to figure it out. So I would get this, paste it in here, connect to the server. Okay, let's do this. Okay, yeah. So I will do this, run the server, connect to it, and it would connect. I was like, huh, weird, I thought it was dying on connection here. Okay, that means that when I send a message, the fuck you mean invalid? Like this. I was like, okay, send the message, and it was like, huh, and it was disconnected. And I was like, interesting. That means that the problem isn't with my client, it's with the server. So I was like, So I tried to figure out what was the problem on the server. And I was like looking around, and then I remember that when I was reading this documentation here, handle, if handle returns the error, the connection is closed. And I was like, I remember that line. I was like, that means that something in handle is fucking up and is closing the connection. And it didn't print that it got an error. I was like, fuck you. So I printed the message to see if I get it, and I would get the message. Let's see, I would get the message. I was like, okay, let me turn this function into, let me get all of this, move it from, so it was in handle. I moved it into a separate function so I can catch the error and try to print it. And then panic to try to get a stack trace. Now, that sadly didn't work really for some fucking reason. So I wouldn't really get a good stack trace. It would be like, hey, it was from here, here, here. And it wouldn't really tell me in which of these the error was. I was like, that's sad. So I went through all of this and I was like, okay, let me print the message ID. It got the correct message ID. Let me go here in this deserialize and then print like starting position, 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 and see at which point it was like, hey, you fucked up. And I was like, okay, it seems to be reading this author length incorrectly. It would be, let's see, length is 256. And I was like, why the fuck would the length be 256? That doesn't make any fucking sense. It should be, if you're sending market 325, like we said, it should be like, what is it, 7. I'm like, well, I do see a 7 here. So why the fuck is it sending like a weird ass message? And I was like, it's doing this. It's like, why is it reading it like that? I don't know. Don't know really, but I guess it's reading it like that. Maybe it's instead of it being like big endian, it's little endian or whatever. I don't know. So I was like working through it. I was like, let me try to fix read int. So what we did, and I did fix it in quotation marks. There was a problem with read int. It was just doing this. It was just doing this and then returning it right away. Now the problem here is that we are updating the position and then using it here, which shouldn't happen. We should first use it and then update the position with bytes. So I fixed that, moved it here, and I was like, I'm still getting the same error. So I was like, am I somehow converting this pointer incorrectly? So I tried multiple ways of trying to write this point, getting the data and converting it to a pointer to type T, and then it reads the data with this pointer bitcast, and then it's like, okay, if it's incorrect endian, just swap it. I was like, what the fuck is happening? And then I was like reading this and this, and I was like, what the fuck is going on? And I accidentally saw, I was like, I read a U8, okay, that makes sense. I was like, wait a second, why is it, I think I was like, why is it then 10 in this position? I was like, oh my god. So what was happening? Oh wait. No. I was like reading read U8, which makes sense, blah blah blah. And I was like, why the fuck is this U side when it should be U8? Because I'm using an enum platform and it is of type U8. But I'm sending like 7 extra bytes, which is why this looked incredibly weird. So I'm sending extra 7 bytes, but I'm not reading them correctly. I'm reading 1 and then I'm reading those 7 plus 1 of the author length. So that's why I was getting this. Where is it? I was reading this because it should be just 1 here, or no, 1 here maybe, and then like this part. but I was getting these extra 7 zeros or whatever. It's like, why the fuck would that happen? So literal that was the problem. I was putting USIs here instead of UA. I was like, okay, let me try that. I was like, okay, run, which does zig build, look into run. Just zig build and then combining chats. Let's build it. Okay, and now if we run the client, see, it worked correctly. I got the message, I get this, it gets the correct thing. I think actually haven't tested it. Let's try. Message switch message dot add message like this. Add message, and then I can do let's move this up here, and I can do platform and string, I guess. It would be add message. Oh, what did they break? Even funnier. So we can do good enum from int. I can do this, and I can do the author and the message, and then this stuff. It's add message dot author and add message dot message. Let's run this server again. I guess I need to tell it which enum it is. Maybe I can do. Wait. Oh no, this is enum. Then I need like enum variant string name, tag name. This gives me. Yes, okay, that's what I mean. I'm sorry. Let's run the server. You can close the client, rerun the client, and we see that we get the correct platform Twitch, author monkey 325, and the message is hello web. I was like, fuck yeah, it works. But because I was like, maybe it would have been good if I streamed this part, but I was like, I don't know, because it would have been 10 minutes of work, and then I figure it out, and then it's fine, and we can do other stuff. Or it could be like 7 hours of work of me just hitting my head against the keyboard and trying everything that I can. So, but it was fun. It was an experience, that's for certain. So now we can continue. We can actually implement this client into the YouTube chat, the YouTube server, and the Twitch. Okay, into the YouTube bot and the Twitch bot, and connect to this server, which is gonna be fun. Okay, I forgot to do this. Let me just do this. Yes. What? What does that mean? Okay. There. No. I need. I'm gonna write the. Oh, what's the YouTube? The chat thing. YouTube chat. What's the YouTube link? I fixed the error from the last stream. Finishing the client server and doing the web app for OBS. Okay. Server. That's perfectly fine, I'm sure. But yes. So I published that. Let's see. Let me try to listen to music while I do this. I don't know what the fuck you've been listening to, guys. I'm sorry. I couldn't talk and think, so I was like, I'm gonna just talk and think. It seems that I really can't talk and think. But what I meant to say is it seems I can't listen to music and talk to you guys at the same time. So I just muted the music for myself. I was like, hey, I'm sure you like it. If you don't, If anyone is in chat, I'm sure they will tell me about it. Okay, let's see. So, yeah, I tried doing this header stuff. That's all. We tried a lot of stuff before. It didn't work, sadly. Hmm. This is why I think having maybe doing comp time to create these functions would be interesting idea. But I don't want to do it because that's just gonna take away the time I wanna spend just working with this. This project, exactly. I don't wanna do like a library around doing this. Maybe after I finish the chat I can do it. That would be fun. But before that I really don't want to. This was an interesting thing because this way I read a slice and I don't actually own the slice. I just like point towards it and I'm like, perfect, smiley face. We're doing the endian, the big endian, because that's what usually everyone uses for like web protocols. They decided they're gonna use that. I'm like, I'm gonna stick to the convention. Well, I can't because it's probably not gonna be forever. And I think PCs are all like little endian, which is interesting, or maybe not. But like, no, actually, let's see. I think if you go here, not here. If we go into the reader, readint, and we go into native endian. Yeah, most are little, like 99% of them is little, or 90%, like x86 and x86 64, which we use, is little endian, wasm is little endian, even ARM is little endian, so like, yeah. So that's, I guess we could use that to like not have any, what is this, like byte swaps. I don't know if I really want to use that. We can like think about it. Maybe use the CPU. Actually, no. The reason why we can't use the CPU endian, I just thought of this, is because what if my server is on a processor that uses big endian, which would be weird, but it's not impossible, while my other some client uses little endian, and so they send it in little endian and the server reads it as big endian. That's why it's stupid. So that's why I guess we are going to be using a big endian. Why not? Maybe we can just set it to little endian and using big endian because that's the norm for web software, but maybe we can use little endian, so we skip the byte swap. That's the question. Is big endian web? Yes. interesting. So that's why we use it, I guess. Let's see. We have serials and deserialized, which is fine. Can't I just do this? Yeah, I can just do that. Why wouldn't I just do that? Like that. That seems easier to me. And this is like fine. But it would be like good if I had some like ID to type or type to ID or something like that, I guess. That's fine, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, let's go with fine. We can save the message ID. This is what I meant, but it's like, yeah, we can just serialize this to server message deserialize, which is fine, I think. For what we are doing perfectly fine. So we can remove this too. Init, yes, this should probably be the best way to do it. Like, let's see, we use, not, actually, yes. Listen. We need to reset this. Accept here. Handle. Oof, I'm sorry. I can read loop. Handle. So it catches this way. I guess we can just use some other handle. Also, let's, I guess, use this. Maybe it's better. I don't know. What message? So you can have handle and then like handle input. Like this, or something like that. And then we have this. Like for us, I don't think we're gonna need any of that, but why not? Search.data and handle like this, and then we catch it. We got like what error, handling message, and then like this message, and this should be like the log error. And there's no need for that. What error? Any handling message. EA Sports, it's in the game. I'm gonna remove that. You can just print that here. Yeah, let's debug it in it. Or like after in it. Closed. And think we need why not? Let's save that for now. So let's see. I wanna maybe have, how do I run these different things? Maybe I can have like server and then YouTube and Twitch, like those three main files, and then build them separately. Because I already do that with this client. Like we add an executable and then install it, like for the client. So you can just use that for Twitch and then for YouTube and then for the server. And it can be like combining chats, can be the server maybe, and then we can have YouTube bot and Twitch bot or something like that. Yeah, let's do that. Yeah. Okay, so let's then do main can be the server. We can do bot, which let's see. How it's actually the like way to do it. I don't know. ZigLang convention. style guides. Either like style guide, yes. Fuck you. I don't know if I like the 4 spaces. I think I do. Camel keys function static as precisely. The type then SMS is a struct with 0 fields and namespace name. Okay, file name is something underscore. Okay, so it's gonna be, I guess, bot underscore. I guess bot underscore which. Does that make sense? Or no, maybe it's bot which. Maybe like this. Nah. Maybe I can have like YouTube main, Twitch main, you know? Maybe that's better. Yeah, that's better maybe. So I can have like a main here. Like here. And I can... So this is the YouTube, not Twitch. Oh my god, I can't read. And let's also get the main in here. So let's get, actually, since YouTube is here easier, let's just do main. And we can copy paste this. And then remove the ones we don't need. So we don't really need the .env for this. For now, I don't. Maybe for this. Good question. Or do you wanna use like function params or like arguments? Yes, argument. Maybe. Like you do ./YouTube like bot YouTube -- live or just like stream ID, you know, maybe something like that is better than .env. We need the YouTube bot, we don't need the server start, we don't need these messages, or the WebSocket Server built-in server .env. So just std and YouTube. The standard disease and then YouTube. std process args. I guess alloc first args defer args.day. What the fuck does this even return? Okay, and then std process args free alloc and then args. Try args dot, or we can do std process args iter args. Pause the command using the program in the first sentence. Use. Okay, so this is for possible. Show as initial. Okay, maybe this is better. Maybe, or maybe not. Yeah, const stream ID is args1 because at 0 is the process name, usually, like most likely. You're gonna get the stream ID from this. Let's see, if args.length less than 2 or not equal to 2, std log error usage slash something, it's like this, stream ID, and so it's gonna be string stream ID new line args0. Like there should practically always be a 0th argument of the use of the thingy magic of program name. Oh my god, good thing I remember. So this is the stream ID. Yes, this is gonna be some other way probably to use it. So that's the YouTube one. Let's do the Twitch. This is all for Twitch. Twitch has a fancy ass thing. Lol. Let's. What is this? Built-in. Do we need the built-in? I think we do it here. Not big. Yes. WebSocket. Maybe problem. I hope not. We don't. Which bot is just this? Which message is this? YouTube answer are not needed. This is gonna be main. This is the public. Public. Okay. And we need these two things. Chicken, I don't think it's the best way to do it, but that's fine to me. We load those. We do this, which is exactly what we need, and then handle. Yep. Aborting the shipper. We close the client. Yes, so I mean, yes, I guess that's the way to do it, and we should probably do something similar to YouTube. Like it's using this run method. But fetch action can be, but this is like 250 milliseconds. So like worst case we made 250 milliseconds, I think. So maybe it's fine. Or why do we care? We can just Control C. Doesn't that just like automatically close it? I think it does, so I don't think I care. We don't need this, we need a server. .env isn't really necessary here, but let's see. WebSocket, nope. Like that. We are gonna think about .env. Is there like .env? I guess no, it deallocates everything. Yeah, let's close this. Let's do the build script now. So YouTube doesn't need .env, but they all. Does it even need the WebSocket? I don't think so. WebSocket? It doesn't. Cool. So YouTube is the simplest one. And then Twitch and the thingamajig need it. Let's do like this. FN build with not imports, what would it be? Modules, yes. Yeah. Modules. And then it's gonna take this build and then a list of modules. Modules. Or like WebSocket maybe, and the build. Okay, that's perfect. WebSocket and .env. So, and we need this, I guess. Maybe we can return the exe and then install it there, so we don't need to pass that. Huh. Maybe that's the best way. So we pass this and these two. Like this is necessary for both of those. Maybe that's the best way to do it, I don't know. Options. Wait, no, I need the beast, oh fuck. Maybe we can parse the exe. Yes. Build exe. What's this? Compile. Compile. Step compile. Step compile. Exe, I guess. Void. And then we can just do that. We can do something like this. Build with modules. We do this exe, WebSocket .env this, and we can do const server exe, like exe and just server. I guess it's fine. And then we can do Twitch, like bot Twitch, and do bot Twitch on source with main.zig. We can do that, and then pass those two, yes, and then we can use const bot YouTube this source YouTube, and then let's see. Oh, I had 4 viewers on YouTube. That's fun. Now I have 1, which is me, which is less fun. Fuck you. No, I'm joking. And then I can install all of those artifacts. Server, bot Twitch, and bot YouTube. And this is bot YouTube. Yep. I don't know if this is gonna need the bot, but .env, but we're gonna figure it out. Maybe for some key or something, so not everyone can connect to it, because I'm gonna put it on the server, but we'll see. Maybe not. Let's see. I don't need the client no more, but I mean, I'm gonna need something similar to it. Let's place the client there, and then go to Twitch and place it there. Close this shit again. Not Twitch. Main. Nope. How can I move right? That doesn't tell me, so I'm not gonna know for an sad. So this is client. Okay. Take this. And I need 2 WebSocket clients. Interesting. Yeah. This is Twitch client. Let's try to do clear zig build and see how that goes. Build. Lol. It's on exe. This way you can just like add them one after the other without having to think about it. That should work. It seems like it's working. But that's good. Yeah, seems like it's working very good. 43. There's more errors. We'll get to them like this. What? Nope. Twitch. Fine. Yeah, Twitch client. Why the fuck would you tell me that before? Let's see. Client. And we need the Twitch client here too. Maybe we can just have a close on it too. Yeah, this is fine, I think. Let me try to build it again. Server handler. Server handler. Where does it say? Uh-huh. Like this, okay, that makes sense. That should work now. Yep, it does. Perfect. Now let's continue with this Twitch bot thing. So now we have a Twitch client and now we need what did it do? It's not a server client, that doesn't make any sense. Aggregate. Aggregate. Aggregation. Aggregation. Cluster client. Main client, clustering client. Some other client. Cluster client. Cluster. Sure, let's go with cluster client. Cluster client, which let's do local post and like hard code it maybe, and then we see about it. Cluster client. Cluster client.tools. Okay. Handle Twitch message. So, interesting. Do we need? We can maybe have a client here and use that. No, it's fine. We can do it from here. What the fuck is that sound? What the fuck? Oof. I don't know. Okay, no, it's gonna reset that way. Because, let's see. If you get the message, oh, I like this song. If you have any opinions about them, do say. I might listen to them. Return? Yeah, we can return. So what we can do is client. Oh, interesting. Why don't we pass the bot here? Why? Doesn't make any fucking sense. Because yeah, we need to pass that. I wouldn't pass soft. Yeah. bot. Bot dot cluster client dot send. Right. Binary. Now let's see. Whoops, not there here. Oh, I need to figure out who the fuck sent message. Oh shit. How does the Twitch WebSocket message? Let's see. Come on, load. Did it work so slowly? Twitch, like it's loaded. Private message. Send and receive messages. Channel name. So fuck, but we need to parse this shit onto. Oh, that sounds great, doesn't it? Yeah, we need this. This is sad. I don't wanna do this. Fuck you. So we have tags. That we need to parse. No. Where is tags? How do I parse tags? Tags.parse. They did have an option how to parse tags. Oops. Actually no. Which parse tags? Yep. Here. Perfect. Oh no, I have that actually, don't I? .js. Parse tags. So we have tags, which is all of this. Dot sub. How do we move it one? I mean, it starts with that. We can just skip that. Oh, actually, I don't. Actually, yeah, that's right. Tags 1, like that. Let's see. List of tags to ignore. Quiet nonce and flags. Okay. Detect parse tags. Follow the parse list of tags. The key is the tag name, example color. Okay, so we split it on whatever. Parse that here. We can do tag parse. We can do something like fn parse tags is gonna take the this const u8 like this is gonna be tags stuff, and it's gonna return std string hash map. That is analog string, I guess. U8. std mem creator, like that. Let's see. So const map is const tag map. Tag map is this. Init and then map. We do tag string dot std mem split. We split u8 based on this with this. Once tags for tags tag. How do you use iterator? Where is it? Here. Iterate. How do I iterate? It's like something like maybe it tags next, but I think it's like while. And then key value pairs tag std mem split u8 this equals const parts tag. Now let's do tag, and then what does this mean? Tag value 1. If it's not an empty string, why would it be an empty string? Why would you do that? What's hello? Hello on YouTube. I don't know how to read that username. Maki325. Maybe we met somewhere on Discord. Like this. Let me just do this. This is the Discord I have, so you can join and check. But I don't think I met you. Maybe we have on Discord. It's just Maki325 as it's everywhere else. Then what do we do? Tag value can be null. Okay, yeah, what's the tag? Let's see. I'm guessing you just joined just now. I don't think we met anywhere. Hello. Anyways, using iterators, Zig. Yeah. How does it work? Rather, they really don't know how to write things. Wait, is this? Ah, lol. Yeah, sorry. Not me then, I guess. I don't know. Let's see. Let's try it. Is that gonna work? I think it's gonna work. 0 is the name. Tag name is parts next. All else new. Const tag new. Parts next. Sorry if I pulled hard string or something. By reminding you. Lol. I don't think I met anyone who's called Maki. I mean, I've met people who are called Marco, just like me, but like, I don't think I met anyone who's actually called Maki. I thought it was like a Japanese name maybe, but I think it's a girlish Japanese name. So I don't know. Yes. Fuck. If tag the web equal badges info. Not flexible, don't care if it's badges info. I'm just gonna put it in like this. Map dot put tag name tag value like that, and return map. My exact one that I need from this shit is, where is it? Plant nonce blah blah blah. What color display dash name? Fuck. Tags tag map is tag map. Yeah, like it's gonna be like this type of tag map. Tag map. Tag map. Equal parts. Block. Tags. Yeah, this is apply. And that means this kind of try and this kind of try. It's a tag map. Well, map, and then I need to do the init. The init, I guess. Oh no, actually, fuck. If this, yep, is that correct? The init. Yep, that is correct. And then I can do message.tag if tags tags dot get yep, of course it wouldn't be saved, it was this and then this. Okay, this if there's like no var yeah, if there's no like name, I don't care really. You can do like once author like this maybe, and then is it double? Oh no. If author a if a oh did the music finish? Fuck yeah, let's restart it then. A B, so this is I can just actually do this, can't and then I can do value, and if and if there's a value like this, that I might still want to do that, but I don't know. But if I send it, I don't get it, do I? Maybe I do, I actually want to see that. Let's see. So author is this author. And message is text. And it's from Twitch. And then I write bin. Let me try this. Oh. It's bots. Let's call it the global bot. And then I guess it'll be like, I don't know why we have the global bot really. I mean, I don't know why we get the global bot. We like really need it. Or slash protocol pro. Let's see. What is it? A sig name conversion name. Oh yes. Snake case. Hmm. The name, file name. Okay. The client server. Okay, that's interesting. Maybe this protocol needs to be lowercase too. I don't know, we'll figure that out. Maybe later. Let's try to zig build it now. What the fuck is all of this? Unfit by an enemy. Okay. This? Oh, I like this song. I think so. I don't know, I thought it was some other song. Fuck me. I know what I can do though. If you're going to build, it's gonna be much better actually. Protocol is gonna be yeah, I like this actually. Protocol, and it's gonna be, let's search what's a path to it? Source protocol. Oh, lib. Oh, yes. I like that name. Protocol lib. Yes. Everyone is gonna get the protocol. Yes. Do it. I believe in you. Server. Bot. I like this protocol thing. I like it. Oh. That's an alarm for whatever the fuck it means. It was way before. Let me try to get it now. I'm gonna. Maybe I'm fucking going. Server. server needs to be outside the protocol, I think. Server handler. This will not make sense to have the protocol. Okay, this happens. Usually it's best to do a zig from here so I can easier get to the error problems. Well, yes. Zig build. Of course, it's not gonna work. Why would it? Too many messages, too many things. I'm sure there is. I can assure you there is. Just build. Oops. Shit. Build. Let's see the build script. Okay, so what does it say? Expected type. Uh-huh. Okay. Uh-huh. Okay, I understand what it means. It's like that. Clear, clear, clear. Let's try to build again and see. Oh, that's a lot of words. Don't understand them. Once handle which message FM like this. Now I don't need to think too much. It should work. Hello. Mwah. Why does it say that? I don't understand it really. Const. Where is this slope called? H. No, so this. Nope, but main for which? Like this. Just maybe perchance. this actually. Or const tag spot like that. Lol. Expected this found const. Why do you say it's const? Does it need to be like this, maybe? Doesn't make much sense to me. No, that doesn't make much sense either. Past no past this. What the fuck does that even mean? Return value pointer to control, but you can pass it to a pointer. Consequence in place that you discarded it. Social leader change the return from find a non maybe I can do. Depths. So now it gets compiled separately. And that should maybe work. It doesn't work with the protocol, of course. Oh my god. So let's server. What does protocol need? Well, let's do it like this. And I'm gonna stop all of these so I can just see these errors, because these are the complete incorrect ones. Like head ache. Let's do that. Warm up, is that why it's yelling at me? If it is, I'm gonna cry probably. Like I don't know what else I can do. They need part of track zig. Var here and var here. Let's try to get rid of most errors, if not all of them. Message. they need array list that's part of struct. Optional. It's probably the optional part that's fucking me. If optional is up, I don't know how optionals work. Optionals. Where to type? No sign. Okay. Okay. Get mutable reference of optional zig. I want zig. Get pointer. Is there something like take or something? Maybe like this? Can I do it? This accidentally? Let's try it. Ah. Bar message. Okay. No može li protokol obrati, ne može protokol. Aha. No that baš. Okay, I guess I fucked it up in a few places. That's my fault. Yeah, I didn't think about that. But that does indeed make sense. Oh my fucking, I'm gonna kill someone. Expected type void? I can catch it maybe? Better than fucking erroring out here. Catch. There. Pub, FN, handle. Import. Handle import self WebSocket message catch server. Oops, handler. WebSocket message. Perfect. I say not knowing if it's perfect. Oh, what the fuck? Affected consequence. Oh, no. I'm just gonna catch it then. Catch something. I can't just say it's like this, it's something like. But if I'm doing try, error dot error. general error. Let's call that. Can either error cast. Which bot dot hub like this? Does it not have error cast? Doesn't matter to me. Let's do it this way. I mean, I still need this, but I'm just gonna remove the error cast. If error, I'm gonna do catch. And I don't think the error really, so I can remove this return error dot once message to server message to server message. Is this also? Yeah, that obviously this is not gonna be the problem, bro. This. And then again here, catch, return, error. Clear, zig. No, no. Dun. See you again. Slash. Thank you. Like. Let's see what new error pops up. Great sounds. Okay, so we did finish that Twitch bot. Run. Let's do it like this. If it's yes, that just run. It's like a dash server. I'm gonna run this. If elif else fee. The weird ass way to do everything in I'm so fucking confused. Twitch, YouTube, UIT, TV. Short TV, Twitch, yeah, Twitch. Bot, Twitch, bot, YouTube. Run, just run. Run. Oppa, there it goes. Tempted to use new null value. Self is null? What's the null value here? Self? Yeah, there's no way it's gonna be. How can self even be null? I mean, it's, maybe? Maybe. It's better not put the init there. Or just the init here. If like this. Is it gonna build? If it is, then I can run it. Perfect. Fuck you. It's this map. Attempt to use null value. I really don't know. Okay. What? Zig. Where is structs? Pointers. These are the structs. These are packed. Make field mutable zip. Zig it. The init. I realize it's part of stuff. what we can do is we can just allocate it and then pass it. Hello. Tag map. Like this. And then we can have a map. Like this. And this should hopefully work. And now I don't need this fully. Yeah, that makes much more sense. I feel like it can be no tags, that doesn't mean it's incorrect. Yes. Toxic. Okay, let's see. If I type here, hello, will it come up on the left? The answer is a no. Ah, this is why it's on, because it fucking failed. Lol. That's good to know. Okay, let me just hide the screen so I can get my new token. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Come on, close it then. Thank you. Run switch. Okay. Okay, it works. You can turn on the screen. Hello, now you see it connected and everything, blah blah blah. Now, if I go ahead and type hello, I should get the message there, hopefully. Oh. I didn't, and that's weird. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna STD debug print any. Nope. Here it will be. Like this. Let's try that. Run Twitch. Oops. Hello. Handler. Maybe we sent it. Let's see. std debug print any new line. Gonna be the first time it doesn't show it. So it does send it the data. If I had any errors, I would get them here, so that's not a problem. Ah, I'm stupid. Connect to cluster. Client. Yep. Oops. Handshake cluster. Handshake cluster. Let's see. Yeah, there's no need for me to have this. Let's see. Okay. After it, now finally connected. Lol. Yo. Fuck yeah, we got the message. Okay, fuck. Good. Great. Great news. Fuck me, that was unnecessarily difficult. Uh-huh. Let's close. At first a Twitch client used. Yeah, we are not setting a read loop, which is perfect because we don't want to read. Just want to send. Okay, perfect. So we sent it to the server. And now we want a DB or something maybe? How do we do MySQL or something? Like music. ZigLang. 3 weeks ago, okay, that's fine, let's see. Okay, this one. Yeah. Music requirements. Yeah. Mention, okay. I'm gonna be right back. because I need to go to the bathroom, and then we continue with this. BRB.
Girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I like the girls with their nails done. Girls with their
Hello, hello. What you doing, guys? Let's see, let's see. Okay. Zigmod. Bundle. Bundle SQLite source. Okay. Zone. History. Is it like this? Copy full shot, yes. And what did he say about the thingy magic? Let's actually, why did I close the Twitch chat? Okay, that's weird. Pop up. There. Another archive. Don't have it, and then it's gonna say, hey, this is the cache. Like, okay, that's the cache, thank you. Let's say, yeah, no way. Okay. Build. Like that. SQLite. Without host. There you go. Server. Okay. Don't care. Get someone else. Okay. Huh? Okay, let's do this, I guess. You need custom for flags. Link library. So instead of this artifact, the target, okay. Does this third party mean I have to download it? Ah, okay, that's okay, I don't need this. Okay, perfect. Actually, this is not good usage. Let me try to build zig build zb zb. Perfect. Like, it's too complicated for us to get. Let's just do this and be done with it. Okay, perfect. I like this. So server main. Is it the server main, I guess? Oh, context. Yes, this. So I'm guessing it's like this. Dot slash my DB, I guess. I never know how to call it one. DB. This is, I guess, SQLite type DB. There's context. And then DB is SQLite.db. What's this in the background? Okay, it has a pointer, so I can just pass it by value. That's good. .db. I'm guessing it needs to be mutated some way, or maybe not. db dot defer Okay, that's how you close it. Perfect. Common use. Right, create, threading mode, multi-threaded. If you want, okay, executing a statement. Use exec statement, prepare query, reset, interesting, how interesting. Parameters, so locations, oh, I can bind, aha. Okay. Assign types to bind makers. Aggregate, okay, that's cool. Package manager, blah blah blah, common use. Statement, okay. Like this, so let's do that. We get the add message, insert, SQLite. Okay, that's yeah, let's do this. That's a bit too complicated for me in my little brain. Insert into what? Insert in something. Insert into messages, alias, and then another DB contents. Lol, exec. Prepare. This or statement type or statement type, of course. Query. Exec. Huh? My parameters. Okay. Integer, float, real. Text, okay. Text. Allocating. Okay, so this is, I guess, if you wanna read, and this is the params. Insert into. Ah, isn't it like that? Yeah, yeah. Insert into this table name, column name. Okay. Salary and ID. How does this even work? What the fuck? Huh? I'm so fucking confused. I just noticed that this is not a string. What the fuck is this? Platform author message. At enum info enum author is add message of author and dot message add message. Interesting. Creative not exist. I guess that's something. Okay. Pub fn init db db sqlite.db. Create if not exist SQL. Perfect. Create create table if not exist. If not exists. Create table if not exists. How weird. Create table. Create table if not exists. Create table SQLite. SQLite. Let's see. Create table if not exists. Schema name. No, table name. Okay. Column definition. So it's like this message. Question mark, question mark, question mark. Yes. Void. Just. Yeah, I don't need anything here. Column, question mark, question mark, question mark. Okay, surprisingly. Run the server. What the fuck, it started? That means I should... Yeah, I have my DB. And I have my... Okay, I forgot to init database, which is fun. DB. Right. It's such a scary ass error. If we go again into here. Yeah. Yes. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, let me type in Twitch chat. Hello. I should have gotten that. I'm great. I forgot to run this. Yo. I got that. Got that. And if I go here. Yes! Fuck yeah. I like it. No. Okay, perfect. Okay, actually great. I love it. Can I do connection? Oh. It's 13. Returning clause. Returning. Insert get ID. Last row ID. I hate this. Is there some insert here? Insert. These are some examples. Soccer. Later. The fuck. I don't know what any of this means. So this is the only insert there is. SQLite. That's that here. SQLite dot this dot. Prepare the init reset. Bind assert execute. One alloc all. In the row is used to populate a value of type. Sort one row at a time. Interesting. Connection cursor. db.cursor. Prepare for the person exec iterator bind in last row ID. Okay, I know. If we duplicate this, that I can search for this. Real. Row. Okay. Oh yes, DB. Get. Oh fuck yeah. Yeah, fuck yeah. Thank you. So dependencies protocol. I don't know if I should remove it from here, but for now it's gonna be there. Add message. Zig. to client. Yes. Practically everything plus is it I-64 for some reason? Yes, it is. ID. I-64. And this is why everything falls apart all the time. ID. Once ID. I-64. ID. ID. We have practically the message and then the ID that we also want to have. To client. Okay. Okay, let's see the client thing here. Where's feedback? Okay. Where's mask if you don't want data the data can be So this is server. One surface. That, let me try to do this. There's that connection. Right, pin minor. Okay. What I'm seeing is that there is no does the server hold the connection? No. Maybe I want to get this into my own function and then have all the connections. Pass maybe a bit more stuff into this. This accept because this is fine. This handle read loop. Maybe I want to pass the server too. Maybe not, I don't know. Interesting. Yes, I want to save all the connections at least. And then maybe I can have the server be static. And since it's static, I maybe can pass a reference to it in the context. And then from there, I can use it in the handlers. That's what I'm gonna do. We are gonna make a pub FM listen. Pub FM listen. Whoa. Interesting. And since we said it's a server, I don't think there's any need. I can just move this to main here. Then I don't need the server. Yeah, that's probably much. Is this server? So server existed before, didn't? I maybe wanna move the server main here. And then not have a server object because that's unnecessary. Yeah, let's go with that. So move that here. Go to build script. Source server main.zig. Yeah. And then practically wanna instead of server run. SQLite initdb, and I want to move these two. Void probably. And instead I'm gonna listen. And this is SQLite server. Wait, no, what the fuck? It's not client, it's server handle. Context. Hold value. Chat application have a channel manager. Listen. Socket headers handle close. Right because testing, that doesn't matter to me. Not SQLite, WebSocket. Let me leave it here for some time until I figure all of this out. I mean, I can just, if there's no need for a function, I can just do it here. Alloc .conf server. Okay, so this is the config. I had config. The more you know. And this is alloc. D built-in. Config. Config. SDNet. STDNet. DOS. And then STDOS. And this age is handler. Handler. Slash handler. Context is I can actually make it here then. Yeah. That server is server. 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 WebSocket. Oh. Is server. Do I care about the server? No, I don't care about the server. What I want instead of the server is like connections. So we have like a so I can have connections. No, maybe okay. I said I don't want this server, but I do want this server. because on server I can have a function that's like, okay, I want to send to everyone, and it can log the context, do it, and give it back. And I can make it on a context like send everyone. That's interesting. Okay, that's even better. Pub fn add on self const context is at this context, and then con. Is that how we get it? Yes, so we have this connection. And that means I'm gonna con std, a standard disease std, std array list, like this actually. Yes. Or context connection. Server WebSocket Server. Oh, this is this type of connection which was language as interesting. Okay. Interesting. So that's new connection. If I could edit this, I don't want to edit it because that's a lot of. Maybe I can. This is just an accept. Well, no. On handler, I get a context. So why would I need the ID? I wouldn't really need the ID because these are all unique pointers. That means I can like delete them. Check if pointer points to null. Zig. Perfect. Const connections is void connections self.connection. Yeah. Pub push append on try WebSocket con. Yes. Write to all self connection and then massive and then bytes, I guess. Const u8 self.connections for items. Item that this way we can get all on dot write binary data point to skip if point is equal to point to skip continue in no remove delete, remove, mutek, st mutek, atomic, no, wait, maybe, atomic, what does this do? Load, store, swap, not really what I need, processing, thread, wasm, zig, tube, that's, okay, let's try to get the GitHub. My god, because I know he used the Zig thingy-majigs, and I don't know how to use them, or where they are, so we're gonna use that. In this video editor, source, player, clip manager, audio renderer, word times generator, allocator, thread, text segments, shutdown, mutex, thread mutex, why the fuck, okay, thread mutex. Self.mutex.lock, and then defer self.mutex.unlock, and then same thing here and here. Oops, here. I'm like for items. I think I select I. Aha, 0, 0, okay. Let's pay 0 dot font I. Stuff connection dot remove. What kind of other list? Sure, remove. Yeah, I don't think I care about the size. So connection to remove if one break actual return. So that's what. So let's see. So this is harder than we do. Connections is contact dot init alloc. Defer contact dot connection to the init dot mutex is equal to. Did I have to create a mutex? Yep. Okay, perfect. And then handler is context dot add connection, con. I guess I can try. And then close self context, self.con. Okay, is remove. Because this is a pointer, so I don't care, it's very easy to compare them. Chances are I should never get to close without actually close. I mean, close should always be called, that's the point. Not con, remove con. Context. So I don't. I can just call this here, can't I? That means I can actually just very simply call the other thing. Because I can catch it right away. What the fuck? So we don't need this, or any of this really. Try server.run. Oh. I think that's, what the fuck was that? Server. Yes, so initially this DB, create a context, started. Just about started, but started enough. Handler, but context, dot write to all, self.context, con. Fuck yeah, so we are gonna have which message, which main. Yes, so I can. Yeah. We can have this and then this. What the fuck? Why can't I really can't click to save my life? I can just try here. Try. Delete. Self.alloc. Do we have an allocator here? Maybe we should pass it. To context allocator, I guess. Self.context. This should be self. Handler. Self. So client message to client add message is writer. So context std mem cator alloc dot alloc. Yep, now it works. Like this, and then try. And this is what? Add message dot author text what's called the ID self context right to all. Okay, perfect. And now I should be able to have what do I want to have. So I want to do something like this. Client. Let's call it client. Client. In HTML. HTML5 messages script. Let's do this. Const WebSocket is WebSocket local host 9 something 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 something. Let me just check it. Okay, 9 and a lot of things. 9 2 2 3. Now WebSocket dot new brain WebSocket dot add listener message dot data. So this is the event or message. Are you calling me? Okay. Let's see. And set it through blah blah. Console log. Okay. WebSocket add event listen. WebSocket. On message. On. It's the same thing. Properties data. It's binary, then the type of this. This is event. And data. Binary type. Binary type. Array buffer. Array buffer seems better. Much better. First data. And data, if data. Data dot console log is array. Okay, perfect, I guess. CD market repeat combining clear CD client 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 Python 3-m http.server. Now if we go here, localhost 8k. Where is bottom? Legal string was specified. WebSocket, I guess, then WebSocket dot slash. So let's see. So this is that. Refresh. Init, see, init. Perfect. That means that we have connected. What the fuck did I click up? Sorry. Okay, perfect. I need to closed something. Handler closed, please no. No, that's too many. Maybe that it isn't. Yeah, let's leave it. Is there something else that's so just it's just a close, that's the problem. The problem in quotation marks. Run server. Let's see, we can run the server. We can't run the server. Threads. That does indeed make sense. Yep, that should work. And that's also like pointer, perfect. So many fucking. Expected. Oh, it's not. It doesn't fail. Oh, perfect. Because yeah, that makes sense. Why the fuck would it fail? It's a good build. So this is dry. It's. We don't care about the one that's removed. Okay, that means it's building completely. Perfect. So we run the server. We go here. We run the client. Okay. And then we run the Twitch server. Perfect. Hello. Oh yes. Fuck yeah. Temp 0 dot slice. String base 64. Base 64. Dot transfer value of. Okay, that's actually very cool. So how do I oh wait, array buffer and then array buffer to base 64. It's probably like not this. Yeah, you int 8 array. New let r dot to string base 64. For fuck's sake. But that's fine because this is still correct. If you look, it makes sense. This first state, this is the 8. Let's remove this. So first state once 8 is 0, really? Oh, this is message ID, yes. So what? Let me think about this for a second. So what are we sending? To client message, serialize. We are writing 0. Then 64 bits. So we are writing 0 as U what? U8. So it's 1 0. Okay, yes, and then 2. Okay, perfect. So it's 2. That means that if I do this, I can do if not an array buffer, return, or maybe it's even better, function handle data array, because this what we said here is unit array is, oops, okay, like this, at yes, param or something, param, there, unit 8 array, unit 8 array. Okay, perfect. That means that we wanna do something like this. Handle data, new int 8 array of data is array dot buffer slice. How do we slice? Start the end. Okay. 0. What the fuck? So how many bytes is this? So first is 8, so which means 1. Const message ID. Switch message ID. Array buffer. Let's see, how can I use array buffers? Constructor. That's is view, detached, blah blah blah. Okay. Uint 8 array. Okay, I can use at. Perfect. So at 0. 0. Case 0 like this. Break. The default. Alt. Assert. How do we assert? Actually, we can't assert, can we? That means that I wanna. Okay, let me return the chat. Console.r unknown message with ID message ID. Then case 0. Since it's a 0, that means that the next (64), so 8 bits array slice beginning plus. Okay, so maybe, so what's the difference here? It's like the same thing. 0 9, actually 1 9. Const ID are how do we convert? Convert to int 8 array for byte to number. Fuck no. JavaScript. Okay, so you int whatever are you? You int. I don't have a 64 big. Okay. Plus a ID. Why is it so quiet? Yes, let's do it. I don't know. Oh, what the fuck? Whoops. Let's think for a second. So this is ID. No. Big int. That's true actually. Cyber. Function. We need a reader, literal function, a class reader, and that constructor, it takes you int 8 array, and it's like and then like this dot type, and then we can read function read u8 okay, read u8 is okay, and also position 0. This position is 0. Let's just to be sure set it there, and then so since it's u8, that means we can just do array at this dot position plus return like this. See, u8 16 32 64. Like this, and like that. So 16 is const value is new u int 16 array of array.slice. Let me just check, is it? Closed. Aha, Twitch closed, I guess. Huh. Yes, so I guess Twitch closed because I didn't ping it enough. That makes sense. Okay. Slice. Fuck this, I don't fucking know. Let's see. Slice. This dot position, and this dot position plus, and then plus equals to return value. 32 is the same thing. 32 just once amount of bytes is 4, so we do this, it's 2, and this is also 16. Hey, u int 64 no, at 0. Perfect, I'm glad you can read that. So this is new reader dot read u8. Whoops. Out of everything, this doesn't. Like this. At return number. Perfect. Let's see. This is message. ID is reader.read u64. Once author len. Then what do we do? Read. Then for left I is 0. I is less than author len I plus plus len once let. We can have a read string then. Read string. Let stir return stir is reader at read string. Const len is this dot read u64, and then let's get this for loop. Where is the for loop? I delete it, doesn't matter. For let I is 0 is less than len I plus plus. Then we do string dot from char code maybe we can read array and then just convert that array to string. Maybe that's better, that's even better. Read array const array is new array len that we can't do as how do I convert it to a number? How do I convert big into number? Big into number. That's fine actually. Number len array at I is read this dot read u8 array, and then read this dot read array. Return let's close this. Auto read string text on message, and I also forgot platform is u8 id platform is u8 console log id platform author message. Yes, here. The server is still running, so let's just restart this. Refresh this, and type hello. Array is not defined. 66. Lol. Why am I using array? That's nice. This. Lol. This. Delete. And type again hello. Is it really? Why? Array buffer like. Why the fuck is that? Figuring. Yes. Constructor. Typed array. Uh-huh. Interesting. Objects. Once array is. Yes. And then I can do this. This is not a length, this is array. Dot map and to big print of n. Maybe like that. Hopefully. And then we go ahead and restart this. Type hello. Again, let's just clear the console. Type hello. Oh! So it seems that we messed something up. But that's fine. Truth to be told. ID is 0. So we probably messed up. Aha, I know exactly what we messed up. No, I don't actually. 4, 8. Aha, this. We messed up this. This. Run. If we refresh here and hello, restart, refresh that. Not convert. Oh, fuck you. Fuck you, boy. Number like that. This. Yo. Oof. What am I reading incorrectly? Is there some like swap length reduce reverse? Maybe I need to reverse everything because it's the wrong way around. Reverse. Maybe? I don't know. It's correct to me. Yeah. Okay. So string is unnecessarily removed. So we don't need to reverse the string. That's good to know. But we message is incorrectly read. Look at all of this. Number of length. Okay. Platform. We read U8. ID 64. So 8, 64, 8, 64, 64. Because your side is 64 as far as I know. Yes, I64. How do I do this? I just want to fix this and then we can go on our merry way and sleep. Platform 1, auto. I mean, let me refresh a test. See, I got Maki 3 to 5, but this message is weird as fuck. Log reader. Let me print the reader there. Yo. $262. That seems very incorrect to me. That might just be me. So that means the read string number of line. Console log line number line. Yo. 7728. Seven. That doesn't seem correct to me. That actually seems very incorrect to me. This position. Because this is 7 is correct. That means that something here is incorrect. So 11, 1, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yo, and then whatever the fuck. Huh. Interesting. So it's 7. No! Okay, this is incorrect. This is completely incorrect. Because we are reading U8 that. Why did I do that again? I don't remember. Yo. Oh, fuck yeah! Okay, so between the streams, I'm probably gonna do. This is enough for today. We've been streaming for like 3 hours and something. By my clock, we've been streaming for 3 hours and 9 minutes. That's a lot. So it seems it. In the meantime, in the streams, I'm probably gonna make a pretty display maybe, or maybe just connect it with YouTube or. Okay, so these are the optional things that I might do. So to do.md, I might make a nicer UI, or maybe we leave that for together. I might make connect to YouTube. This is less likely. This is more likely. Connect YouTube to cluster. Then I might do. What might I do? I might either connect to a nicer UI, connect YouTube to cluster. commit this, certainly this is certainly getting done, so don't worry about that. I might what might I do? Commit and make nicer, probably. I don't know. Yes, commit the code and make it nicer looking. What the fuck, I wanted to say something. Connect YouTube. Yeah. Make sure that the connection don't close. Make sure that the Twitch connection doesn't close by what? By sending pings every 20 seconds? Maybe. Yeah. So I'm gonna do it probably like these three. This is not, I'm not gonna do this. This is for us next time. In between the streams. I'm gonna do this on my off time because it's kind of boring and it's all the same what we did today. And next stream we are gonna make a nice UI and then add more stuff like making a message favorite and shit. But look at this shit. You can see all the messages. If you go here, there they are. Yo, hello, 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 hello. There's a lot of hellos and yos. If I do this Discord, let's see. So I do Discord. The connection 100%. Yep. I hate it. I hate it here. Let's try this again. Discord. Yep, there's Discord and some random shit after it. I don't know why that happens. And oh, maybe it's 7 TV or something. I don't know. Maybe. Anyways, we get it. But what if I do dice? See, I don't get this. So if I send a message back, yeah. If I send a message back to which I need to make sure to send it to the cluster as well. Like I might do this between the streams or something, I don't know. This is a debatable one. So these are the things that are gonna happen between the streams. Probably this. And next stream is probably this. Make an nice UI and maybe this way. Probably. Have favorite messages. Make a backend in Zig to favorite the messages and view them and list all the messages. To list the messages, favorite some and list just the favorites. I might do it in HTMX. I wanna try. I haven't never tried it, and I like trying random shit because why not? Fuck not. Oh, fuck yeah! I didn't even notice. I was fucking lucky. I got a 6. Okay, that's just my luck. I like it. So, anyways, thank you very much for watching. As you can see, you can join the Discord on discord.market25.me. What you can also do, you can like, share, subscribe, I guess. That would be great. If you have any questions, ask them in Discord because it's the end of the stream, sadly. The code is available on GitHub. If you go to github.com/market25/all.zig. Here's the code. It hasn't been updated in a long time because we just keep it in a broke state. So I might make several commits and then push them all together today, tomorrow, probably somewhere in between. What else? What else? What else are we doing? All good questions. Yeah, you have YouTube. That should be. If you go to YouTube, you can find my streams. I'm streaming both on YouTube and Twitch at the same time, so you can watch wherever you like to watch more. Like if you like Twitch, you can go on Twitch and watch me. If you like on YouTube, you can go on YouTube. That's fine. Okay, how many? Opa! Look at this. And now it loads and loads and loads. Funny. Yeah. I have a video, a single one. It's fine. This is the first time I started working in Rust, which is like practically 2 years ago now, but I'm much smarter now than I was then. Now, do like, follow, share, subscribe. You can't Twitch Prime or subscribe on Twitch, so I might as well do it on YouTube. It's actually free there. So yeah, that's it, I think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow probably. Bye bye.